Alright, so welcome. We're going to go for a quick drive in this 1960 Cadillac Series 75. This body style was bodied by Fleetwood for only 2 years, 1959 and just barely 1960, before they switched over to the next generation from there. This also was built for export, so you'll notice when I get into the driver cabin, the speedometer goes all the way up to 200. Of course, that's kilometers per hour, not miles per hour. So this is, I think, almost 21 feet long. It is glorious, and let me just get close to the exhaust. You can hear that note. Yeah, that's pretty damn good. You got these fins for 1960. Pretty great. Let's hop in. We do have a passenger today, as I could not drive a limousine without chauffeuring a passenger around. It's not appropriate. And here we are. All of a sudden, it's like sitting in a modern car. It's so quiet. There's the glass is so thick, and all the seals on this are supple. There's not any cracking or anything like that can let air in. It really is a luxurious environment like no other. So let's go for a spin. We do have the flags on, the diplomat flags. And for most of the driving portion, I will keep my mouth closed so you can get a feel for the ambiance and the sounds of both the driver controls and the engine noise while we're driving. We're gonna take a right here. I don't know if you can see, but the turn signal is visible at the front of the car. Yeah, those little side marker lights. And if you'd like to go ahead and raise the passenger glass divider, there you go, goes right up. It is just so smooth. I mean, it's unbelievable. Yeah, I mean, that really is fantastic. We're almost up to temp, and we're actually at a decent operating temperature right now. It's pretty cold now. It's about 40 degrees. So I'm going to take this for a quick stint on the highway or the parkway, and then we'll return to some nice windy roads for our trip back. Yeah, even at speed, we're going roughly 90 kilometers an hour right now. It is so smooth and easy to drive. And it's eating up these bumps. So we're gonna go ahead and get off right here. So smooth. I apologize for sounding like a broken record, but those are the only words that are coming to mind right now. You also have interior lights. These are your headlights. And a little bit of fog coming in. So let's put our defogger to work. I don't know if you can see that right there. I can test the windshield wipers as well. And then I'll just do that since it's dry. I don't want to mess those up. And then of course, the ever important horn test. We'll lower the window for this. Open this one a crack. That sounds like a train. So the defog has worked nicely. Just turn the fan down a little bit. All right, we're gonna do a quick driver swap. Sir, I'm too lowly, so I have to let myself into the vehicle. Alrighty. And the windows work great. There goes that divider. And now my driver I cannot hear him, nor can he hear me. Oh, I just realized I'm not using this lovely pillow for back support. That's nice. There's also an armrest here. We do have an ashtray right here. There's a cigarette lighter on that side, but this is the master seat, so I get the radio controls. I do have light controls as well, right here. That's the center light. And then, like I just showed you, is the center divider controls, and then just regular windows. There's another little storage compartment there, which has further controls for the climate, the heater, fan, and then the fresh air vents. And you have further ashtrays up front, as well as a clock. You do get lap belts, and you also get AC vents back here, which were added with the air conditioning, as well as curtains. And then if I switch over, I'll turn these lights on. I'll switch over to this side as well, just to give you a better idea of the controls over here. Like I said, that's the master seat, so you got the radio and the heater controls over there. Over here, you do just have extra storage. You do have a map pocket in the door card, just like that side. Controls for the center divider, windows. Same thing as the other side, but instead of stereo controls, you have cigarette lighter, which, if I can show, does indeed work. And then, oh, I forgot to mention as well, these are sliding windows on both sides. So, you know, instead of opening the door or lowering the main window, you can sort of just open this and pass off identifications or shake hands, do what you must as a VIP. But there you are. And he can't hear me at all, by the way. Hey, Charlie. Yeah, no, he cannot hear me. You're not getting this in an Escalade. I hate to say it, but you're just not.